here with the legendary builder, Tim Strange. Tim, you have a beautiful build here. What we're looking at is what, a 61?
It's a 61 Chevy panel truck, but we put a 63 nose on it, just a few changes. And it's got some GMC headlights because they're the quad headlights. We built custom headlight buckets, used some spun metal things from Spence Customs, and then put 57 Chevy Corvette grill teeth in it. This is a promo vehicle for Royal Purple Oil Company. You know, all new Fat Man chassis, Lingenfelder power, Holley injection, vintage air conditioning, and a huge kicker stereo system to make it comfortable while we're going down the road.
We're pumped because you used one of our wiring kits.
Yeah, at Strange Motion, that's my hot rod shop by Nashville, Tennessee. We use all Ron Francis products. And it's got an express harness in this one. We use all their battery cables, kill switches, headlight switches, and everything.
How long have you been working with us?
Forever.
And ever, and ever, and ever. Good. We like to hear that.